In the field with the cleats, slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite the lip with the face. Getting bad, but she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I'm padding my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010, yeah, LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Niggas cross need a laugh.
Yo, took the W off the E63s first run. Yo, yeah, just beep whenever you're ready. That was a good one. That was a good one. I started seeing you coming. I'm like, oh shit, here we go. I think I got caught up in trying to like make sure you don't pass me. Yeah. Yo, that was a good run though, man. That was a good run. So, made it. Boom. 3 miles to E. Personally, when I'm mixing E, I actually prefer to get it like all the way down to like bare anything. The gas station I'm at has pretty good E. Oh, look at that. Nice. I like that color. I think that's that color Nelson likes, that Tiffany blue. Nice. Gotta link up and get my hair cut. And yeah, I'm gonna hit up Mikey, see if I can run up there. The goal in today's video, you can see I had the draggy out. On my way to Maryland, I was gonna run down to Echo and run down the track on a test and tune. And some Elite Society tuner setup thing they had going on. But it got canceled, so yeah, I was screwed out of that. I think next time I just go to regular test and tune spots in the drag strip. There is something in New Jersey Motorsports Park coming out May 13th. I'm gonna try to enroll in that too. It's like a track. So yeah, I was watching this Tedward video last night actually. Really good video about like taking your daily driver to the track and stuff like that. And I agree with a lot of stuff that he said. So I did 9 gallons of 85 and 6.5 gallons of 93. We'll see. So just got the fresh haircut, fill the tank up with E50. This should be the closest to E50 that I think I've probably ever done, like I guess from the pump. But yeah, now I'm on my way to Mikey for some extra sauce, and we're gonna plug it into the drag. That 4 to 5 was insane just now. Speeds on this car are like right on point. I got a GPS speedo in, which is normally reads a little slower than the actual speed on the car. I don't know, it could be a lot of things. I've always realized that the speed on, I've always noticed that the speed on the car may be just a little bit more optimistic, but this looks like it's right on the money, honestly. So this must get its speed from like a GPS based type of thing too, or speed correction or whatever they got going on, because this is odd. I mean, this is kind of cool actually. So maybe that pull where I did 181, it was actually 181 and not like 170 something. I mean, time will tell. The higher speed you go, the kind of more incorrect it'll tend to show. I'm probably just gonna take it up to about, I would say 100. And I'm gonna, you know, see. I'll just make my, I don't know, estimation based off of that. So Car's so damn quick. We could actually hit about 100 right here. Oh wow, okay, so it's right on the mark.
30.
So, heading back from Mikey. Today was a successful day. He wanted to see more in-depth power numbers, but the dyno was taken up by another M340 white. Had Pure 800 and some supported mods too. Wish the best of luck to him and his tuning process. But want to go back. Gotta catch some. Want to catch some good old daytime so I can ride my bike and hang out and shit and chill. So I figured I'd take this nice day and you know, enjoy myself. Non-correlated, but you see the results. You see the results. We got the best I got in the ring twice, 7.88 eighth mile, and I looked up the conversion chart because I kind of ran out of road, and you gotta take a look at the 60 foot as well. You see it was a 205. I think I got it down to like a 1 something, which isn't bad. I'm on 255 PS4S tires. Oh my god, they do really good actually. But stock setup, stock out the box tire setup from the dealer, and you're able to hit like sub 2 seconds, 60 foots, rear wheel drive I might add, with 600 pound-feet of torque in the back. So if that LSD ain't working, I don't know what is. If the PS4s ain't hooking, I don't know what is. It just, you know, those of you follow me on IG, I made a post. Can I make it a 10-second car? I mean, I don't give it 10.99. That's basically 11, let's be real. But can it be a 10-second car? And I think it can, because, you know, the 60 foot was a little chopped up. It spun. I got about 3/4 tank of gas. Obviously trunk full of stuff, got the spare in the back. So we are on the heavy stock wheel. So don't count me out just yet. I wasn't able to replicate it for you guys right now today, but I'm pretty sure even on this surface right now, just got an engine oil at minimum. Warning, so that don't sound too good. Woo! E63s. Yo, cars like that are goals, man. Like F90 M5, E63s. It's one of those if you know, you know type cars. Let me hold on. Pretty disappointed. I wish the car would hold up a lot better to a lot of the. Wish the car would have held up a little better to the abuse today, but hey, it is what it is. Like all oil, pretty much the same. I don't even know which one I'm gonna get, bro.
Nah, the van needs to be cool, bro.
Nobody cares about the van. Nobody talking about that slow van. Nobody cares about the van, like. I'm trying. Yo, what oil should I get? Should I get Pennzoil or should I get Castro Edge? Yo, imagine I pop the hood and it's just his big ass gaping hole.
I shut it and walk away.
Word, yo, see now, yo, people be asking too. People be like, damn, how you just so nonchalant about? See, I think that we all like that, like, he said to shut it and walk away. like, yo, I deal with this another day, bro. Like, I ain't got the time.
It's a nice day. We gonna ride the bike.
Or I'm about to use my boxers. R.I.P. these pair of boxers. The day I wear white, yo, I got on freaking white hoodie, white shoes.
Stupid.
I ain't stupid, like, well, I'm stupid enough to leave a bike outside, so I don't know.
Yeah.
I bought another thing of oil. If I need this shit on the way home, I'm only like 40 minutes away. If I need another quart, I'm gonna just turn right real fast and hit the guardrail. Low oil. Oh! So here we are back in the crib, about to edit this video to get out for you guys. Just want to say thank you for everybody who has liked these videos, commented, everything like that. A little bit tired. Today was all over the place, you can tell in this vlog. Vlog was all over the place. I actually put the E63 races, which actually happened at night, in the beginning of the video. You guys like to see that stuff anyway. I think more than me talking. So there you go. That's pure content for you guys. But yeah, just wanted to wrap up a couple of things. We got a drivetrain malfunction, a little bit of misfires, Vanos solenoid issues. So what I kind of related that to was the low oil level. Doing a lot of launches, don't really do that in the car, really. Maybe had less oil than expected, low oil than expected. Starved the Vanos a little bit. Nothing wrong with the car. Perfectly fine. Motor is extremely healthy. I did those pulls from a dig after I topped off the oil with the E63s. Car ran phenomenally. Not one hiccup, not one drivetrain malfunction. It actually even like dug pretty good too. As far as like traction wise, it still did limit the power. And so you guys can see in the corner a little flashing light. That's the traction control kicking in. Just have it set to traction mode. BMW has like 3 modes. You have the regular, you have traction mode, and you have full DSC off. Now, traction mode, despite it appearing a symbol saying like traction control is off, I mean, it actually does a better job at fighting for traction. So that's where you would get your launch control, which I have not done. Racing that C63, I did not use launch control. I thought it would completely bog out the car. Obviously do wheel slip. I just mashed the gas when I heard the third beep. So pretty damn good. The E63 used launch control the second time, not the first time. Once again, pretty good. But I just wanted to touch base on you guys. If you guys were wondering what that hiccup was at the end, it was Vanos, low oil, so I filled up with oil, and everything is perfectly fine with the car. Not one single hiccup. I'm like super static and shocked, and I just can't wait to actually take it to the drag strip and show you guys that slip with a 10-second pass on the car. We ran 7.88 in the 8th mile, which translates to around 12.25 in the quarter. Had everything go smooth, have enough road and things of that nature. 60 foot was about 2 point something. If I can get it down into the ones, which obviously if I hook up, I definitely will be able to do that. We're going to try a bunch of things, but if we get to a track, prep surface, proper tire on the back, lighter wheels, gut out the, take out the spare, a couple of things, I think this car will be good for a 10-second pass. I mean, I lose a little bit of that weight too. So, yeah, but thank you guys for tuning in once again. And it's becoming a thing closing these videos out in the crib because, well, look at all them other videos. I really haven't been closing them out. So, this is how it is. All right, guys, Mike from Soul Speed. Hope you guys like this video. Peace.